Sony has been a big player in the headphones market for a long time, and with the release of their WH-CH720N wireless headphones, they aim to continue that legacy. The WH-CH720N is an affordable option for those seeking noise-canceling headphones, but does it deliver? The headphones come with a sleek, minimalist design and are comfortable to wear for long periods. The ear cups are well padded, and the headband is adjustable to fit different head sizes. The headphones are also lightweight, making them easy to wear for extended periods without any discomfort. In terms of sound quality, the WH-CH720N produces a well-balanced sound that's suitable for most genres of music. The bass is present but not overpowering, while the treble is crisp and clear. The noise-canceling feature is also effective, reducing ambient noise to a minimum, making it easier to focus on your music or podcast. The headphones come with a battery life of up to 35 hours, which is impressive for its price range. They also feature quick charging, allowing you to get an hour of playback with just 10 minutes of charging. The downside is that the headphones don't come with any additional features or customizations that you might expect from a more expensive pair. There's no app to download, and the controls are limited to basic functions, such as adjusting the volume or skipping tracks. Overall, Sony's WH-CH720N is a solid choice for those looking for affordable noise-canceling headphones. It delivers on its promise of providing good sound quality and effective noise canceling, making it a great option for commuters or anyone looking to block out distractions.